Mbona bafethu uvane lo sokuphuma indaba ke regarding umdlali weOrlando Pirates okubani na okuThalente Mbatha. Ibe ingaqali ukuphuma indaba ezikanje sijwayele ukuzizwa indaba zakhe uThalente Mbatha but ke lezi ziserious kakhulu. Umjida ke kuthiwa ke le injury le ebekade enayo towards the end of last season engathi ke isimbuyelile leyo injury yokulimala kwedolo kwakhe. Umjida ke kuthiwa ke ngeke aze abe khona kulama games azodlalwa iOrlando Pirates azayo. Yabo kubalwa nje igame yanamhlanje bazoyidlala against amaZulu uzobe engekho uyololonga lela dolo la njani libona nje bafethu idolo lakhe libhandishwe kanje kuthiwa uyoshaya isurgery kulona lela dolo belimhlupha kakhulu kulama games esibuya kubona. Yabo kuthiwa nje ama games the next 3 weeks ngiyazabe khona umjida. So kuzoba nzima kakhulu for iOrlando Pirates ukulahlekelwa uyena uThalente Mbatha but ke lokhu kuzonikeza ithuba kubadlali abadingayo igame time bakwazi ke bayibonakalise ba raise isandla kuyena ucoach uAbdislam Wadu. And ngokubona kwami this is a very serious issue for iOrlando Pirates because ubani na uThalente Mbatha is not the only player who is currently injured kuOrlando Pirates. Remember, Talente Mbatha is not your ordinary player. He is the first team player kuyona iOrlando Pirates. So ukulimala kwakhe kungakwazi ke kuyibuyisela emuva iOrlando Pirates kodwa ke kungakwazi futhi ke kunikeza abanye abadlali ithuba lokuthi ke badlale. Remember, we spoke about Talente Mbatha okubaleka kwakhe ukuthi ke abe khona kulesa squad iOrlando Pirates. Each and every time when he's involved in that Orlando Pirates squad, Orlando Pirates rarely loses any games. Yabo, you can go back into the last season. The last time Orlando Pirates idliwa uma usubhekisise nje usuke ke engawuqalanga lo mdlalo usuke engekho kulowo mdlalo loyo. Yabo, so nje siyodlala kuma prelims usazoba nzima impela for iOrlando Pirates because if you remember last time when we played kuma prelims waze wa introducewa isishintshile igame lapho khona sidliwa sidlala away but ke sesibuya la eSouth Africa wayiqala igame sakwathi ke siyiwine kahle leyo game leyo. So ukuba khona kwakhe kuyaye kubaleke kuOrlando Pirates akasiyena kumdlali ke olimele bakhona amanye ama first team players alimele currently kuOrlando Pirates. Spoke about Evidence Makgopa who is a striker kuyona iOrlando Pirates naye he is currently injured kuOrlando Pirates okuyinto leyo ezokwathi ke ibulale kakhulu ithemba kubantu abaningi abayisupporta iOrlando Pirates because uyisithenjwa umjida ke he is playing for iOrlando Pirates aphinda adlalela yona iBafana Bafana naye futhi uThalente Mbatha he is playing for iOrlando Pirates aphinda adlalela yona iBafana Bafana. So kuzolimala iBafana Bafana kuphinde kulimala iOrlando Pirates but ke luckily Orlando Pirates made an acquisition by signing a new striker from Norway. Loso striker ke singasibona nje sidlala anytime soon. Zikhona ezinye istriker I spoke about him ngasho ukuthi ke bakhona bafethu Mbothuma bakhona oRadyopane oLuthuli bakhona even oLungu. They can be converted into strikers because we saw uLungu last season playing as a striker. So angeke ngikhale kakhulu regarding yena ubani na uMakgopa but ke he is not the player olimele kuphela. There is another player ngokuzwa kwami thoke ulimalile umjida kubani na okuSibisi. Yabo, you remember last game uSibisi wathinteka clear game leya base ke bemkhipha ukuze ke angaqhubeki alimale umjida. Siyamazi kuSibisi uma ethindekile egamini ojwayele ukuthi ke ayiqhubeke leyo game ize ke iphele but ke akufananga clear game wasekhishwa clear game kwafakwa abanineka kwafakwa uZulu ke waqhubeka wayidlala leyo game leyo. Yabo, so lokho ke kungenza ngisola ukuthi ke naye uSibisi usazoba nje on the sidelines umjida ke athi ukulula amancane azabuyele kuyona Orlando Pirates esi right. So le ungasho ukuthi ke I crisis yangempela because uma usubheke nje currently uma sizolahlekelwa uyena uSibisi silahlekelwa uyena uMakgopa masukuba ubani na kuba uyena uThalente Mbatha. Remember kunabadlali abangakabuyi okubani na okuNemtajela. Nemtajela is another player ongakabuyi kuba ubani na kuMakhehleni Makhawula. Makhehleni Makhawula is also an injured player. Kuba ubani na kuba uSihlenduli yes he is fully recovered and he is training with the team but ke we haven't seen him in the match day squad asikasimbona umjida ke hopefully we will see him being introduced as isapho umjida ke asikakamboni noma ke ihlala ibenchini. Yabo, we are hoping to see those players abo Thapelo Xoki. We haven't seen Thapelo Xoki in the match day squad in a while. Yabo, so we need all of these players ukuthi ke babukele kuyona iOrlando Pirates, which is a very worrying thing because these are not your ordinary players. These are the first team players. So kuzoba itask enzima kakhulu le ukuthi ke balahleke labadlali abadlala on the first team. Labadlali laba siyabawa ukuthi ke ibona abadlali esijwayele usikhethe kubona uma ke kwakhiwa ischeme. Uma sebengekho labadlali kuyophoqela ukuthi-ke bakhethe bona labadlali abasha abasathanda kufika yabo, which is something eyadala ukuthi Orlando Pirates ingayiqali kahle isizini last season. If you remember last season, we didn't start isizini kahle by relying kubadlali abasha yabo, saqayisa abadlali abasha kakhulu, sangadlala kahle, saluza some of the games. This month we are going to play against a highly rated Sekhukhune team that always give Orlando Pirates inkinga. So njengoba siyodlala naso Sekhukhune kumele senze sure ukuthi-ke we are going there, siyazi ukuthi-ke si-ready yabo. I'm not saying I'm worried, I'm not that worried. Most of naso Sekhukhune baningi abadlali abahambile kusona Sekhukhune. Maybe you can make your case regarding uVuyo Letlapa. He's the only player team yeSekhukhune mhlambe ke ungasinikeza inkinga. Yes bakhona abanye but-ke Grobler oMagalo abasekho yabo, naleya right back yabo bayi-release. I don't know why ba-release, leyayishisa ngempela. So I don't think iSekhukhune singasinikeza inkinga, but-ke without these players okoSibisi, oMahopa, Makehleni Makhawula, Sihle Nduli, Talent Mbatha, those are the first team players right there. But-ke let's hope about Dansina, Boslepe, Abomthiyane bazophakamisa isandla bakhetho ucoach khona Makobo, the new player who is very very exciting, uzophakamisa isandla umjida-ke akhetho uyena ucoach Sibangani Zulu, Mphotsha Batsane. Those are the new center backs okumele-ke balwe lapho ukuthi-ke bakhetho ucoach Dabishaya na ukhona lapha Neo Rapo. Those are the new guys who must fight for the position to be selected as the new players, the succeed these injured guys yabo. Mina ngokwakho ngangitshela kuma comments, are you that stressed regarding the injury of these 3 players, or akumele sidedele igazi? Mina ngokwami ngasho ukuthi-ke kumele siphenike kancane because siyodlala ama-prelims. Ngiyayibona i-MTN8 is just a cup kumele siyi-defend, yes, but-ke we have to look at the prelims. Kumele siye ku-CAF Champions League, we like it or not guys, we have to go to CAF Champions League. CAF Champions League is like the holy grail of ibhola la Africa. You saw Mamelodi Sundowns winning the second star. It is not a nice thing to see your rivals winning the second star. So you have to fight to go to a CAF Champions League. So by going to a CAF Champions League kuzoba into enhle kakhulu for thina, kodwa-ke kumele senze sure ukuthi-ke siyaya kwi-market right now. Try to find those players who are going to maybe fill in those gaps kulabadlali abashodayo yabo. Don't tell me to-ke bakhona abadlali abasha. Yes bakhona abadlali abasha, but what if those players they don't give us that spark esisidingayo? Soba nenkinga ukude kuJanuary, uthi ushaya uJanuary kube sekudlala ama-quarter finals ayo inina i-CAF Champions League.